What are the key elements of embezzlement charges? Imagine trusting someone with your money or property and then discovering they used it for their own gain. That's the core of what embezzlement charges are all about. If you're curious about what makes up these charges, let's break it down. First, the person accused must have had lawful possession of the property or funds. This means they were given control over the assets because of their job or relationship, like an employee or a fiduciary. They didn't steal it outright. They were entrusted with it. Next, the accused must have intentionally converted or misappropriated the property. This means they used the property in a way that was not authorized, like spending company money on personal expenses or transferring funds without permission. The key word here is intentional. There has to be a deliberate act to misuse the property. The third element is the intent to permanently deprive the owner of the property. This means the person planned to keep or use the property in a way that made it impossible for the owner to get it back. For example, if someone takes money with the plan to never return it, that shows clear intent. Lastly, the property involved can be money, physical goods, or other assets of value. It could be cash, inventory, or even intangible assets like stocks or digital files. All these elements are what prosecutors must prove beyond a reasonable doubt to secure a conviction. From a defense standpoint, challenging one or more of these elements can be effective. For instance, arguing the accused lacked intent, had permission to use the property, or that there was a mistake can create doubt. Sometimes, evidence might be unreliable or incomplete, or the case could involve mistaken identity or coercion. In complex cases, experts like forensic accountants may be brought in to clarify the financial transactions and intent. Understanding these key elements helps in building a strong defense or understanding the seriousness of an embezzlement charge. It's important to remember that, because these crimes are often linked to white-collar activities, they can involve complicated financial records and requiring careful legal analysis.